So today we're going to make some miniature holly leaves, and I'm just going to make 3 small circles to start with. And I'm just going to use this round cutter tool to create the pointed aspects of the leaves. That's a nice leaf shape. I might keep that for tomorrow's projects. So each leaf will need 6 goes with the little round tool there. And once you've got your leaf, you can use your needle tool just to create some vein details. So I'll just create another leaf in the same way. And now I've got 3 of them, I'm just going to attach some little red berries that will really make the leaves pop. Once these are baked, I think they'd be a really nice little embellishment for a Christmas card or something like that. Thanks for watching, I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye!